This heavy-duty Zmol electric sharpener uses a powerful motor and robust helical blade to handle constant classroom sharpening without slowing down or overheating. Its 6 clearly sized holes accept a wide range of standard and colored pencils, including thicker drawing pencils, so one machine covers almost every sharpening need. The automatic start and stop system, along with a design that removes only a thin layer of wood, keeps pencil cores intact while reducing waste and mess. A 3-position tip selector lets you choose between sharp, medium, or blunt points, making it equally useful for writing, sketching, shading, and detailed coloring. The detachable cutter assembly makes clearing jams and replacing the blades straightforward, which helps the sharpener stay reliable over long-term use. Strong suction feet, safety shutoff when the shavings tray is opened or the unit overheats, and a standard plug-in design make it a stable and reassuring choice for busy classrooms and studios.